So I fixed it. You know, I put it wrong earlier. Don't tell anyone, you know. Come on, please. You're gonna tell my friend? Don't tell anyone, guys. I fixed it. So this goes here. You have some kind of loop in here to hold it, right? Remember? Then this goes here. Now the most important thing is so this is ready to be installed. Now, excuse me. Now the most important thing that is very, very important, because otherwise you're gonna ruin the whole thing, is you have to know how to balance, how to calibrate or adjust the wheel. Okay, so I'm gonna have to release it while stuck. So as I was telling you, they have two screws, so I'm gonna put them back here. Now the thing is with this is you have to make sure the wheel is perfectly in the middle. So the space you have on the right is supposed to be the same space you have on the left, right? So in this case, the wheel is not gonna be scratching or hitting the housing. Okay, so this, I'm gonna just tie it all the way, and I'm not gonna tighten it just a little bit to hit the end. So as you see here, you have to make sure you have perfect space, you know, in the middle. So if you have a 1/4 space here, you have to have a 1/4 space over there. Okay, so that's gonna run very smooth with no headache. So now I have it perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it, and we should be all good. Let me see, right? And then make sure you tighten it really good. Okay, like you can go hard on this. I can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 6, and then the other one. Remember, this wheel is heavy, and when it spins, it's a lot of weight. It's a lot of torque. So you want to make sure this thing doesn't have any chance to move. Okay, and then when you finish, test it like this, right? So make sure it doesn't hit anything. So that's all it is for the motor. Now, one thing I want to tell you before. See, like this one here, you can see the data plate, right? You can see it. So you can see it. I rather take a picture before you put it in case, you know, sometimes the capacitor, usually capacitor wires are always brown or brown with a white thread. Usually common is always white. Common is always white, and red and white are always high and low. Now the blue and the red one, they can be confusing. Sometimes they like I think Lennox have a brown is for speed. So always take a picture. So in case you need to see the diagram, you want to see where does this go. You can always have the information. Otherwise, if you can't, this one luckily you can see it. But sometimes you can't see it, like you have the housing inside, you can't see it, you have to take everything out. And sometimes, I still don't remember which one, it was very weird, I think it was Lennox. Sometimes they have the common as yellow, not white. So that's why you have to take a picture. I remember 20 years ago, I put, it was a yellow, was common, and I put it as a speed, and I just, the blower was fried. The blower fried, so I had a big trouble. Okay, so you're all good for now. Let's shoot for the heat exchanger. We're gonna remove the heat exchanger for this furnace now.